Hello to you, Binibini from Paniki. You've made it to top 5. How was it like for you?
I'm so grateful, and after everything, it paid off.
How much did you pay for it? That was an incredible sight to see. Hello to you, Miss Bamban.
First of all, Jusa, hi. You look stunning as ever.
Thank you so much. And what's the second of all?
The second of all is, are you nervous? Because I am nervous.
I'm not nervous. Why are you nervous?
Because I am a candidate. Are you a candidate?
No, I'm the host.
Oh, okay.
Because I am also a breadwinner. We're both live streamer, content creator, and of course, an only child.
Ay, nanalo ka din ng tinapay.
Yeah.
Breadwinner. Congratulations. Bakit Daryl ang name mo?
I was supposed to be born as a male.
Ah, so trans ka. Trans name.
Yes, trans name.
Miss Shy, I just want to know, are you feeling confident tonight or are you shy?
Finally, I'm glad to meet you. But first of all, can I just say that I've watched your tarot readings online. And I'm a tarot reader.
Really?
So, yeah, a real tarot reader. So, I would like to read you one day.
So do you think I'm a fake tarot reader?
No, but I have your meme tarot reading cards.
So what can you say about tarot reading?
Tarot reading is a very complex skill, and up until now, I'm still learning. But it's just a hobby of mine because I'm into astrology.
How about tarot milk tea?
Actually wearing a corporate attire inspired by one of our beautiful judges, Miss Katrina Legado, during her MUPH journey. So I hope that's a good sign.
You're wearing the same
No, it's not the same, just inspired.
just
Yes.
inspired. So we have your Miss Katrina Ligado. So
Oh.
this is inspired from the one she wore.
But I didn't know that she's gonna be one of the judges, so it's so nice.
Oh, that's a manifestation for you. So that's a fun fact for this evening. What's a sad fact?
A sad fact. Pagbigyan natin, sad fact. When I was in grade 5, my mother was already an OFW. While my father, ever since I was young, already works as a security guard in Manila. So ever since I was young, I had to be independent and learn things on my own. Nalungkot ka ba?
Hindi naman. I actually felt proud for you.
Diba?
Hindi ako pwedeng malungkot. Joy yung pangalan ko, tas malungkot ako.
Sige.